Did you know that the revolution of the construction industry is here?
You're going to have to tune in for more.
Welcome back. Super excited to introduce our new guest today, and that is North Star Homes. And with me today, I have Michael Belcher and Nick Patterson.
Thanks, Mary. We're really excited to be here and kind of talk about our product, and we're glad that we can partner with someone as successful as you.
Yeah, thank you for having us, Mary.
I will not be able to get out of the studio with those comments, so my head will be too big. But thank you. You're very welcome. Really what is so incredible in all the years I've been selling, actually what you're doing and how you're constructing a home, which is very different. And right now we have a lot of need, especially in Fort Myers Beach, where we had a lot of devastation. And you guys are part of that rebuild process, which is phenomenal. So tell us a little bit about the company, a touch on what you're doing that's so different to start with.
Yeah, so one of the things North Star, our main goal and focus is to reinvent how construction's done. For the longest time, over the last 100, 200 years, we built with the same material, concrete blocks, steel, and wood. And we know that those things inherently have some benefits, but they also have some things that make them not the best things to build with, especially in disaster areas like Fort Myers Beach, Marco Island, coastal Naples. So our CEO, Paul, has been working with composite materials for close to 30 years. And the thing about working with these composites is we're able to build hurricane resilient homes for coastal areas that are prone to disasters. And
now I'm going to pause you because that was kind of a mic drop. Hurricane resilient homes built for natural disaster prone areas. Is that what you said?
That's correct.
Okay. So how is your home different with that?
So basically, instead of using concrete block, wood, or steel for anything that's structural, like your exterior walls or your roof system, we end up using a blend of composite components that end up allowing the home to be impervious to wind and water, resistant to mold, corrosion, pests, have an impact rating of 250 miles per hour, a Class A fire rating, and a bunch of whole other things that'll help reduce your risk and reduce your insurance as well.
Well, in a crazy state like Florida, where there's a lot of insurance costs that have gone up, sounds really great to me. And mold, you can get mold with any time, anywhere, unfortunately, in Southwest Florida. But did you bring a sample that you can show?
Yeah, I brought just one of these pieces. It's called a C-channel. This would be in replacement of a wooden stud. Basically, what it is just a piece of our fiber reinforced polymer layered on top of itself, mixed with a blend of epoxies that make it ultra resilient. It actually makes it 10 times stronger than steel by weight. So we're able to accomplish a lot more kind of in-depth specific designs, able to span across larger ranges without having to add in additional structural pieces.
I love what you told me. You go from the tiny houses of like 600 square feet up to a 5,000 square feet home. And when you mentioned it to me, architecture, I can do it any way I want, right? I can have a coastal, I can have more of a traditional,
right?
So your architects work with the clients?
Yeah, that's one of the unique things about North Star Homes is we're custom home builders. So we're focused on making sure not only do we offer a wide range of different floor plans, but an ability to customize and build a home that the consumer wants. That end user, if they want 2 additional bathrooms on one specific floor instead of one, we have the ability to make that happen. If they want a round home, we can make them a round home. Really depends on what they're looking for, but no idea is too big or too small for North Star.
On the other end of that, if you don't mind me mentioning, we also have the ability to do the design assist. So if you have any customers that bring their own set of plans or are familiar with architecture and want to basically design it with their other colleagues that may be architects, we have the ability to work with them as well and just convert it into a North Star home.
Now, I love that because, at the end of the day, we build inland, we build, on the water, different kind of criteria, any pilings, anything near the water. And you guys do soup to nuts, right? From size to places to everything.
Right. We kind of offer the full turnkey solution, not just typically we do the site prep and the foundation, like that's great, but we do from the very beginning of the site prep all the way till we hand you the keys with everything aside furnishing. We don't add furniture, but your cabinetry, your light fixtures, things of that. We'll handle all of that for you. So as a homeowner, you're handed a set of keys and you have an envelope and everything ready to go.
Boy, that sounds great. You are going to have to tune in to the next episode because we're going to show you more about it and we're going to show you all the cool things, the pretty things. So until next time, I'm Mary Bartos with the Bartos Group of Premier Plus here on Really Mary and having a great time with our friends from North Star Homes, Michael and Nick.
Thank you, Mary.